You know that in Android, an activity has a life cycle associated with them, and activities receive their own input events. Like an activity, a fragment too has a life cycle and receives its own input events. You can call a fragment a sub-activity. You can add a fragment to the activity or remove a fragment from the activity during runtime. You can have multiple fragments in an activity. There are two ways to add a fragment to an activity. One method is to add the fragment via XML, and the second method is adding a fragment programmatically. In this video, I will cover the first method of adding a fragment to an activity. Second method in the next video. Now let's see the code. I've already created a new project. You can see on the screen. Here I created a layout file for the fragment. It's a simple layout that has a text view inside a frame layout. And I will inflate this layout inside a class that extends fragment. So here's the class main activity fragment, and it extends fragment. Inside the onCreateView method, I've inflated the layout. Now we need to add this fragment to the activity. This is the activity main.xml. To add the fragment to the activity, we need to use a fragment element. So here I have used a fragment element to add the fragment to the activity. Here name attribute is important because it specifies the class name of the fragment to instantiate. Here's the class name of the fragment. Here's the class name that I specified in this layout file here. Now that I have included the fragment inside the activity main.xml, let's see the output.